Hello everyone, take a look at this shot right here. It's performing exponentially well, and what I did is I tested this approach on one of my faces already monetized faces YouTube channel just to see how it will perform. And surprisingly, here is the result. As you can see right here, you can see the video, the shot right here I posted here, and the video got 1 million views in the first 24 hours. This is already a monetized channel. I'm already making money, tons of money with this faceless channel. I just created a shot from the approach I'm going to share with you in today's video, and I just posted it on my already monetized channel, and it got 1 million views shot from the first 24 hours. Then as you can see, 90 almost 20,000 subscribers, and then 24 euros just from the first shot, the first attempt I made. And this is crazy. This type of content is incredibly effective right now, and you know what, you don't need to start a brand new faceless channel. You can just do or try what I did right now. You can just create a video and put it on your existing channel right now to see how it will perform before deciding if you want to create a brand new faceless channel on this niche. But the key is to at least know how to create these crazy videos. And to give you better understanding, let's look at the inspiration behind this strategy. All right, so there's a channel that has gone viral and got hundreds of millions of views simple with these loops, and I'm going to show you. As you can see here, they're just small creators. As you can see, unusual animations, content that people clearly enjoy. We are not copy exactly what this guy made. We are just taking the core idea of it and making in our own way, like our own content, okay, using AI. Now that you understand the potential behind this type of video, let me just show you step by step how you can create a video, because that's the most important thing right now. So if you're ready, let's dive in. So I went to ChatGPT and I said, can you generate a prompt from this image so I can recreate it? That means I took a screenshot from the original content from the inspired channel I just showed you earlier. All right, and as you can see, it generated a prompt for me, and once it did, I took that prompt and tested it on two different platforms, and I'm going to show you exactly the result. So let me show you what I got. The first platform I used was David AI. This is the name right here on the screen, as you can see, which is basically the new name of open art. All right, so I went to the image section, posted the prompt and select text to image and generate it, and this is what it produced. As you can see, it's not identical to the original image, but it has a very similar style and overall feeling. All right, so now David AI worked with credit. Okay, so you get around 20 credits to start, which lets you generate about 10 images. So the results are solid, and from there you can even animate the image. All right, meaning you can turn the still image into a short video. Animating costs 5 additional credits. All right, so just that you know, but if you run out of credit, you can just create a new account with random image. Crazy. So here is the animation I created using the same prompt. As you can see, it turned out pretty well. Now let's see the second platform. The second platform I tested was Whisk. Whisk is excellent because it is essentially unlimited, right? So you can generate as many images as you want for free. I posted the same prompt from ChatGPT, and these are the images it produced. Personally, I actually prefer this one since they are even free, but look at the quality. Insane. The only downside here is Whisk doesn't support animation. Okay, so it only animates the images in landscape format. Okay, in landscape the animation looks really good. Okay, let me show you an example. Under the video section, I created an animation using VO3, which even has audio automatically. Crazy. So just keep in mind this part does require credit. Okay, honestly, if the animation feature were unlimited like the image generation, like, it would be fantastic though. But for animation, not only does it cost credit, it also won't animate vertical images. All right, so after that I continued generating several images. I took multiple screenshots and kept like creating more. For example, I generated this one, and once that was done, I thought I'm not going to take anything else from that channel. Okay, I'm just going to use ChatGPT to create variation. Okay, so I took the image, this purple one, and I told ChatGPT make 5 different prompts based on the image number 3. Okay, and it started creating new prompt inspired by that image. Okay, and this is important because it allows you to create something original, the same time, the same vibe, but still new. All right, so after the purple one, it generated this, then another one, and another one. As you can see, this version don't exist on the creator's channel. Okay, but because I use one image as the reference, ChatGPT produced several new variations, as you can see. Now once I had all these images, the question is, how do I animate them? Very simple, and here's how. There is a Discord server called Handle Research Lab, and it's free to use. Okay, there are tons of people who are already using it very well. It's very simple. You simply join the server, accept the terms, and follow every single steps correctly. So once you are inside, you'll be able to animate your images. Okay, for example, here I animated this one and it keeps their watermark, but you can remove that in CapCut later. But the best part, you don't use any credit here, it's completely free, and that's what makes this method so valuable. Okay, so after joining, I uploaded several images. Okay, so to animate one, all you have to do is slash, and you see the option here, generate I2V. Choose the generate I2V channel, click it, and it will give you the option to upload your image. And let me upload this one. As you can see, the melted looking creature, and I'm going to give it a simple prompt in this case, and I'll just tell it to melt just like I did earlier. While it generate the images, here what I'll do, we open CapCut right here. We are going to create a new project and import all the videos we just created, so we can add everything up. So the full process just work like this. And look, the animation is already finished, and I told it to melt, and as you can see here, it turned out like it looks very good. So what do we do next? We download it, click here, download, and that's it. No credit required, just free. Crazy. Now once all those animations are ready, we bring everything to CapCut, and we simply drag the videos into our project, and I will add this one here, and I'm going to edit everything together at once. Right, you can edit them one by one if you prefer, and you can just create a 15-second video, like it's up to you. So I'm putting them all here to show the full process, and this clip came out to about 24 seconds. You can shorten it if you want, or just leave it as it is. So here you can add sound effect or background music. I'm going to use darker horror style sound effect, similar to what the original channel uses. Okay, so I selected an ambient horror track just to give it the atmosphere. You can find similar audio on YouTube, or create your own with some AI tools like Sono, I think so, which is a free AI tool. Okay, so I added a track here and it sound like this. This is crazy. Now about the watermark, you can blur it out, crop it, or simply leave it. It's your choice. Everything I'm showing you here is free, you are not paying anything. Okay, so let me cut this part and the video will look like this. Now we can export it. Click export button at the top, and I recommend exporting 4K. Exporting in 4K helps you keep the quality when you upload it. Do that and your video is good to go. As you can see, this type of content is extremely viral. It's proven. As you can see, some of this video has already gotten and reached more than 500 million views. I show you the example with what I've tried. Even 24 hours, 1 million views already.